Hey, Mr. B here. Thanks for joining me. We're going to be talking about the first piece in our safety kit, which is this very cool semi-hard case, which is going to be carrying the most important safety personal protection equipment, which is your safety glasses. So we're going to talk a little bit about this case and how, again, in the system of our tools, I just found over the years that after breaking these safety glasses, scratching them up, throwing them inside of a tool case, throwing them in the back of the truck, there needs to be something that we can put them in to protect. So this is what I've been using for years now, in fact, and it works beautiful. So I'm going to show you what we do. So again, allows you to have a full secure zipper. It has ventilation on the back side, so it will air out if we're working in hot conditions and so forth, but super simple. You're able to take your eyeglasses, fold, place them inside, zip them shut, nice and secure, and then you're able to place them in the actual tool case, close things up, and now as you're moving down the road, those case and glasses are totally protected no matter what you're doing, where you're going, and you're able to pull them out. First thing, it's right on top. Pull them out, drop them on. Your safety glasses are good to go. Item number one, let's get the hard shell case, and then we'll talk a little bit about the safety glasses themselves. We'll see you in the next one.